Now let's get started in the processing proper of avocado oil business. We're going to start on a large scale. The first thing you want to do is to select your fruit and prepare it. So pick ripe, blemish-free avocados from dedicated oil cultivars with higher oil content, and then you will wash them thoroughly to remove dirt and debris. Discard the unripened or damaged ones, and then you deseed and peel. So the large pit and tough skin are removed, leaving only the fleshy pulp for oil extraction. Remember to also remove the seed. Um, the next thing you want to do is to extract the oil. So you could extract the oil using either cold pressing, expeller pressing, or solvent extraction. In cold pressing method, the oil is squeezed out at very low temperatures below 50 degrees Celsius, and this is a good method for preserving flavor and the nutrients. So a mechanical press is also used. Then for the expeller pressing, this is a more common commercial method that applies moderate heat and pressure to extract a higher oil yield. For solvent extraction, solvents like hexane are used to efficiently extract the oil, but this method may remove beneficial compounds and may require further processing. After oil extraction, we go into separation and purification. So centrifuging is one of the processes that will be needed here, and then after filtering. So for centrifuging, the extracted mixture of oil, water, and plant solids is spun in a centrifuge, separating the oil from the heavier water and pulp. Then after that, the oil may be further filtered to remove any remaining impurities, resulting in a clear golden liquid. The next is a refining process, which is an optional step. The refined oil is one that is subjected to further processing like heating and deodorization to remove impurities, color, and flavor. This results in a neutral tasting oil with a longer shelf life, while an unrefined oil retains its natural color, flavor, and antioxidants but has a shorter shelf life and a more distinct taste. So it's up to you to decide what you're trying to bring into the market and how you want to stand out, if you want to refine or if you want to skip the refining process for your product. So after refining, which is an optional step, you go into bottling and storage. So the final oil is bottled in a light resistant container and stored under controlled temperature and humidity to maintain its quality. Now let's talk about this processing on a small scale. On a small scale, what you're going to do is get your avocados, and then scoop out all the pulp, mash it on a tray and spread it around. Then you dry the pulp, dry it in the sun for 2 days or dry it using an oven on a very low heat. And then the next thing you want to do is microwave the pulp. So you scoop out all the pulp from the tray, put it in a bowl, microwave it, and then for 2 minutes and then sieve intermittently till the pulp is dry. This helps to get all the oils out. You strain it through a cheesecloth and squeeze out all the oils until you have your chaff here. You can reuse the chaff as a facial scrub or as a feed for animals. Now, when your oil is ready for use you can store them in sealed containers that are light resistant in order to achieve a prolonged storage time. We have come to the end of processing, but this is not the end of the course.